Things got heated in juvenile court today as 3 of the teens arrested in connection to the killing of Kyle Yorlitz faced a judge today. No cameras allowed inside, but News 4's Brittany Weiner was in the courtroom. Brittany, the judge actually tossed these teens out.
Tom, that's right. The judge telling these teens that they were acting like children on a playground as they sat in front of the court today, saying he didn't think they were taking the severity of this case very seriously. We actually saw one of the teens turn around at one point trying to talk to someone in the courtroom, while some of the other suspects just seemed like they couldn't stand still throughout this hearing. I did speak with the attorney of one of those suspects, 15-year-old Diamond Lewis, who was in the court, and I asked him what he thought about these suspects being tossed out of court.
Might be so, but they personally had a right to be there. There might have been another means to keep them quiet. I didn't notice it. I was questioning the witness on it, and I didn't know it happened. I asked him to leave them in. There's other ways to keep the kids quiet, but I think he was fed up, and I was done with my question anyways, and I didn't see it making any difference.
And as you just heard that attorney say, the teens were taken from the courtroom at the end of that hearing today when attorneys were questioning a Metro Nashville detective about this case. That detective revealing today during that questioning that 2 of the teens in court admitted to robbing Kyle Yorlitz outside of his North Nashville home. Now, one of those suspects actually admitted to having a gun but not shooting Yorlitz. The detective said there is surveillance video and witness accounts of some of the suspects seen with a stolen truck that was also seen at the scene where Yorlitz was killed that same day of the shooting. And one of those suspects, was seen holding a gun by witnesses and video. Detectives say a woman also claimed that she saw some of those teens rummaging through her car earlier that day and then take off in that stolen truck, matching the suspect car description not long before the shooting. Another piece of information that we learned today was that witnesses did call in the shooting, witnesses who actually saw the shooting take place, people living right next door to Yorlitz. They say when police arrived that the witnesses told them they actually saw Yorlitz run into the home, so they didn't believe he had been hit by any bullets. Police did go to the front door, but no one came to the door. It was Yorlitz's roommate who found him inside later on in the day, and Yorlitz was pronounced dead at Vanderbilt Hospital.